All right, welcome back, guys. Before we leave our list tutorial, let's talk about definition list. Okay, it's not very common. It's not very commonly used, but for the purpose of knowledge, I would just like to talk about it. So a little bit of housekeeping. Let's add in our horizontal line. Okay, and what else? Okay, so let's add in the comment and say definition list. Okay, let's get into it now. So to write a definition list, we use the tag DL. Okay, and as usual, let's create an opening and a closing tag. Now within that definition list, we introduce another tag that is actually DT, which stands for definition term. Okay, so supposing I wanted to make a list of coding languages and a definition or what they stand for. I'm going to say HTML. Okay, um, before I write a term here, I'm going to add a bold tag. So B, and within the bold tag, I'll say HTML. Okay. I'm sure you know what we did here. We've done it before. If you don't know what we did here, then you can easily go back to that list and look at it. So the last tag I would introduce here is actually the definition itself. So it's DD tag. Okay, and this is where I would say what the HTML is. In other words, this is where I would define the HTML. So I'll say used is used to code page structure. Okay, and I would save this. Okay, now basically I'm just going to copy these two lines of code. So copy, and I would paste it here, but I'll change the HTML to CSS. So CSS, and I would change this to used to design. So I'll just say used to design the page. Okay, so and then I'll save. Now let's go to our browser and refresh our browser and see what we've done. So basically this is what we've done with this little bit of code. So we've added like a term and we've defined it. But like I said, there are a number of other ways to achieve the same thing. So it's not particularly commonly used, but for the purpose of knowledge and for the purpose of this tutorial, it's important that you just know it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Let's go to the next tutorial.